Hello, and welcome. Today I will explain the code used to collect and display temperature data on the Microbit V2 single. The code is written in JavaScript. It continuously reads and displays the temperature from a temperature sensor, such as the built-in temperature sensor on the Microbit. Let's break down the code step by step. Let item equals 0. This line declares a variable named item and initializes it with a value of 0. This variable will be used to store the temperature reading. Basic.forever function. This is an event-driven programming construct that defines a loop that runs continuously. The code inside the curly braces will be executed repeatedly as long as the microcontroller is powered on. Item equals input.temperature. Inside the loop, this line reads the temperature from a temperature sensor using the input.temperature function. The temperature reading is then stored in the item variable. Basic.showNumber. Item after reading the temperature, this line displays the temperature value on the LED display of the microcontroller using the basic.showNumber function. The value stored in the item variable is shown on the Microbit screen. So, in summary, this code continuously reads the temperature from a temperature sensor and displays the temperature on the Microbit's LED display. The temperature reading is updated and shown repeatedly as long as the microcontroller is powered on.